What if there was just one daily habit that could help you restore your muscle strength, as if you were 40 again? Well, here's the truth. Some 80-year-olds are walking around today with the strength of someone half their age, and science is finally explaining why. Stay with us, because you're about to discover what researchers call the most powerful anti-aging habit ever documented for muscle strength. Welcome to the channel where we dive into science-based health secrets to help you stay strong, active, and independent, no matter your age. Today's topic is backed by groundbreaking studies and could literally change the course of your physical aging. Let's reveal the daily habit that allows certain seniors to reverse muscle loss and reclaim a powerful, functional body. The hidden power of the mind-muscle connection. The secret doesn't start in your muscles, it starts in your nervous system. Super agers, those rare individuals who maintain exceptional strength in old age, have something in common: a strong neuromuscular connection. That means their brain communicates more efficiently with their muscles. One key player here is acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that tells your muscles to contract. And here's the surprise: certain variants of vitamin B1, like benfotiamine and huperzine A, extracted from Chinese club moss, have been shown to boost acetylcholine levels, enhancing your neuromuscular performance. Breathing techniques to activate the vagus nerve. Superagers often practice simple breathing techniques that stimulate the vagus nerve, a powerful regulator of muscle activation. One example: box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. Just 5 minutes a day of this can improve neural muscle activation by up to 15%, according to studies. Mental activity and muscle strength. Did you know your brain workouts also boost your physical strength? A Columbia University study showed that older adults who regularly engage in challenging mental tasks also maintain better muscle function. Why? Because cognitive engagement stimulates interconnected neural pathways that also control your muscles. Your mind and your muscles are a team. Train one and you help the other. Progressive resistance training. Now here's the one habit that scientists say has the most powerful impact: progressive resistance training. According to Tufts University, this is the most effective anti-aging practice ever studied. But here's the catch: it's not just about lifting weights. Super agers follow specific strategies to make their training work with their biology. Let's break them down. Rule 1: use it or lose it. Muscle doesn't stay by chance. You have to challenge it, and that means progressive overload. Light weights or water aerobics repeated forever won't maintain strength after 60. Rule 2: intensity over duration. A McMaster University study found that older adults training with high intensity to near muscle failure twice a week gained more muscle than those training 5 times a week at low intensity. The key is to train until you can't do another rep with good form. This triggers anabolic responses for up to 72 hours post-workout. Rule 3: compound movements. Think squats, deadlifts, rows, and push presses, exercises that use multiple muscle groups at once. These movements cause a greater hormonal response than isolation exercises. And yes, they can be safely adapted to your mobility and joint health. Rule 4: progressive overload superagers track their progress. They increase resistance over time to keep muscles growing. If the weight stays the same, the gains stop. Rule 5: focus on the eccentric phase. Slowing down the lowering phase of your reps increases muscle tension while protecting your joints. It's highly effective, even for people who start training in their 70s. In fact, a study by the University of Alabama showed that seniors aged 70 plus gained 3.3 pounds of muscle and 35% more strength in just 12 weeks. Common mistake seniors make: the biggest mistake, believing resistance training is dangerous or unnecessary at an older age. Truth is, avoiding it leads to frailty, falls, and loss of independence. Your action plan: start small, but start smart. Get advice from a professional. Begin with 2 30-minute sessions per week. Use proper form. Progress gradually. Conclusion: let's recap. These science-backed strategies explain how some 80-year-olds have the muscle strength of someone decades younger. Start with the easiest habit for you and build from there. The choices you make today will shape your strength, independence, and vitality tomorrow. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Do you know someone in their 70s or 80s who's incredibly strong for their age? Share it with us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more age-defying health tips. Just this one habit can completely change how you age.